Okay, so the first thing we're doing is factoring. So two things that multiply together to give me, what's 2 times 4? Positive 8, and adds up to what? What do they have to add up to? 9. -9. -1 times -8 gives me a positive, and -1 plus -8 equals -9. Now you need to group your factors with 2x squared or positive 4. So which factor do you want to group with 2x squared? -1 or -8? Okay, doesn't matter in this case. -1x, and then we have -8x plus 4. Okay, they both have x in common. So what's 2x squared divided by x? 2x, thank you. And -1x divided by x is -1, right? And the second part, factor these two. What's the greatest common factor? -4. So what are we left with? 2x minus 1. So what is the equation in factored form? 2x minus 1 and x minus 4. So we did the first step, factor. This is now in factored form. To find the x-intercepts, I'm making this y equal to 0. So I have 2x minus 1 equals 0, and I have x minus 4 equals 0. We have two x-intercepts because there's two factors, right? So if 2x take away 1 equals 0, solve for x. Okay, so 2x equals positive 1, divide both sides by 2. X equals, we're going to write it as a decimal, 0.5, and the other x-intercept is located at, okay, so we found the x-intercepts. You can plug it into your original equation, standard form, where you only have to replace these two and solve for y. You can plug it into this, but then you have to FOIL. Well, you don't have to. You have to simplify and then multiply. You choose. Take your x value, the x value of the vertex, plug it into your standard equation or your factored equation. It does not matter. They both represent the same thing. And find the y value of the vertex. To find the axis of symmetry, once you know the x-intercepts, you know the axis of symmetry is halfway between those two x-intercepts, right? So add them up and do what? Okay, so let's do that. Axis of symmetry equals 0.5 plus 4 divided by 2. What's 4.5 divided by 2? 2.25. Okay? Axis of symmetry is what value? H in vertex form, or which axis does it run through? Right? X equals 2.25. So the axis of symmetry is the x value of the vertex. If you know the x value of the vertex, can you find the y value of the vertex? Plug it in. Which equation are you going to plug it into? We just found that the vertex is located at 2.25 something. I know part of the vertex is located at 2.25 because we just found the x value of the vertex. We need to find the y value of the vertex, right? So take your x value and plug it in and find y. Okay, replace x with 2.25. So y equals 2.25 squared. You need to do that part first. Take away 9 times x, which is 2.25, plus 4. So now you're just simplifying. Exponents first. What's 2.25 to the power of 2? Okay, 5.0625. Take away 9 times 2.25 plus 4. Simplify, you should get negative 6.125 as your y value, which means the vertex is located at 2.25 and negative 6.125.